Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. This will be a quick one from Leon Bridges' Laredo. Alright, so a cool song. I really liked the feeling in the song here, the vibe. So let's go into this one without any capo. Why? Because we're gonna use bar chords mainly, and it fits the song very well. So let's go right into the chords, and starting here with the G minor. Alright, so what you do here is to bar the 3rd fret all strings, and then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. You take the very same grip and move it 2 frets closer to you. To this position, you get the A minor. So now you need to bar the 5th fret all strings, and then you need to add 7th on A and 7th on D. That's the A minor. The D minor is just beneath there. It's a bar chord as well. You bar the 5th fret. This time you don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to. And then you need to add 7th on D, 7th on G, and 6th on B. That's the D minor. And then we need to throw in an E minor as well in the bridge part later on, because this is Leon Bridges. All right, bad joke there. Anyway, E minor, that's the chord we need. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open E, and open E. Open B and open E and end there. All right, so there you have the E minor. So we're gonna look into the strumming now, starting with G minor. And I can just mention, we have the main part. It's played about 95% of the song, and that will be G minor, A minor, and D minor. All right, so starting with the first chord, G minor, that will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, like this. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is one string around. In tempo, like this. And a couple rounds. All right, so you're gonna play the main part that goes G minor, 2 string rounds, A minor, 2 string rounds, and D minor, 4 string rounds. So 2, 2, 4, like this. And that is one chord progression round. You're gonna play that almost through the entire song, except from the bridge part that happens about 1 minute and 54 seconds into the song. At that point, you're gonna start to play G minor, 4 string rounds, then E minor, 4 string rounds, then back to G minor, 4 string rounds, and then A minor, 4 string rounds. So 4 string rounds per chord, G minor, E minor, G minor, A minor. And after you've done that for one chord progression round like that, you're gonna go back and play the main part. So I'm gonna give you the bridge part now, and then start a new main round. And it goes like this. All right, that's not the ending of the song, but that is how it goes. Leon Bridges, Laredo. Give it a try, and if you enjoyed it, please feel free to support me on Gordon Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.